Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Yeah. This one is the model that you are looking to print. To make this print, we had to first thing understand how the models or printing works. So FDM printing is print layer by layer. You will need to have surface stick on the bottom in order to make the thing stable. So today I'm going to teach you 3 methods to make this print. 3 will have different output that can be end with the same result as well. But some of them more harder to control, but some of them easier, but it depends on the quality you're looking for. Let's say this one is because it do not have total flat surface. You will need to generate surface. The easier one, the method number 1 is to cut it. So first thing is like rotate it to 90 degree. Find the non-critical spot and then use a cut feature. The cut feature laid on top, they're showing C or shortcut key is C. Is go to some non-critical and line. This seem like no patterns here, right? Then you perform cut. You perform cut, it will say that non-manifold each way. This one most likely is a problem from the model because sometimes other software that do not have this kind of manifold. Manifold is mean surface on front. But 3D printing always need to control this one, but this doesn't matter. It will automatically fix. So, but every time it's fixed, it takes some time, roughly 1 or 2 minutes. So let's skip that. Okay, after it's cut, it's come out like this. Oh, I accidentally opened the pin. This one can be undo. If you saw this pin is not what we want actually, because we want to stick it in glue in the round. So I want to rotate this one face down. So this one is not what we want. If you're facing this problem, you just go back to undo again. Then you just go back to cut. Then you go to edit connector there. You just reset the connector. We just remove all the connector. Let's do it again. We do the cut, move down the thing to the point you need, and then perform cut. And yes. Okay, it's cut finished like this. When in this stage, if you go to press this auto or rain, it will face down automatically, so you don't have to manually select it. You need to unselect one of them. So then you see now you can print 2 pieces like this, then join after. It can join seamlessly if you do it well. If not glue it wrongly, most likely it's joined. So when you slice the print, it's go okay, fine. Then you just see the layer like this without much problem. But of course, if in case some logos come out, you may need to go into the global in the page under global. You have support right here. See my mouse, yeah, and then enable the support and change this to 3 or auto. Then it will come out something like 3 support. It will look very nice and easy to remove as well. Okay, this is method number 1. Let's talk about method number 2. Let's look another model spec. So we can use different plate for that. So we can make sure that not mix it up. I lock the previous one, so it won't change. So the second method will print in one piece. But how do you print in one piece without sacrificing too much on the model's qualities? So this one requires a little bit sense on how it looks in the direction. So we will use the main features or the rotate or shortcut R. Then first thing we rotate in 90 degree for these models particularly. So we see at the left side here do not have anything, only some pattern. Right side got logo, so we don't use the right side, we use the left side. So now you see you print like this, the bottom here is overhang and here is overhang as well. But it's not quite make sense if we straight away put like this, because when the machine running, it may shake. The thing taller will be more unstable. I will recommend to do some adjustment, so to rotate it slightly to the left. All right, and because of the overhang thing, and when the logos or quality looks better behind, we slightly move in front a little bit. So I rotate in front. Okay, this is the second method. Either we print like this, or we can, I think better still print in straight because the bottom is too heavy on that. Something like this, good enough. Okay, something like this. So what we do is we already enable the support just now, the 3 support. So let's see how it automatically generate to. We slice it. Okay, you see the support going to here, but we from some basic physics the thing with fall on the left, this print will fail basically. So what we do is we're going to add some support at the side here, or you print 90-degree top up. You don't have to but for this one, it will put some. I will do some support here because this is more release some stress from the bottom. If you put straight, also can print. Most likely, it can still come out the result without problem, but it bottom will look more worse Basically, what we sacrifice is the connecting support area, which is the bottom here. See, in this area. So it will have some problems. It may increase the fail rate. It's not suggest to print like this. I will prefer method 1 if you want the stable printing. But for this, but in case we're just looking for quality, we can do this. This is support pane. Shortcut is L. What we do is we select the first one, circle, select optional the pen size. We do a quick painting. Use your mouse, paint the color on. Right? Okay, something like painting here. After paint, you can go to slice again. You will see the support on the paint area, like this. So you can print more stable, but it's not. It is don't have to worry about the wastage because inside is hollow. The tree. So basically, they are minimum. You can see there's only 1-2 layers inside to hold the shoes, right? Then it can be printed with one piece. This is method 2. Method 3 is similar to enhance from here. So I just generate another plate to that. So I copy this, put it here. All right. So you have this. Let's say I do this angle. I don't want to put too much support. I don't want to sacrifice the bottom quality as well. All I do is similar to method number 1, but we want to get most out of it, do the cut line or join line in minimum. So we then do the cut in after tilted the shoe. We can do the cut in this area. So we make sure that the support area is you will see the another model. It will support this area. Below here, you need generate support. So we can put a line here. We perform the cut here. And same thing, it will repair the model automatically. So after it's cut automatically. So you will see 2 models like this. So same thing, you can go to quick arrange it, orientation it. It will automatically face down. And then you have this one face flat at the bottom. You can bring these 2, then later on glue together. But of course, this one will still need the support there because it's tilted at side. It will heavily lifted on the left side. So we slice it and send to printer. There's a 3 method I was suggesting. Which one to use is always depend on what kind of quality looking for, or the speed, or you're chasing for highest successful rate. The highest successful rate will be number 1. This is the thing. This will be no brainer. Just print and glue them together, and just find a place that not affect anything, right? And then the second will be this one if this is the highest fail rate because the bottom connect the bed is too small. Just now I copied. Duplicated 2. Okay, this one missing already. So this is maybe the second one. Most likely it can be printed with minimum support here, and also minimum effecting. The line will be at the bottom. But the worst way to print is like this lah. Don't print it face down. Otherwise, your bottom logos will be all gone, cannot be visible. To decide this thing will require a little bit understanding of limitation of 3D printing and your model as well lah. Okay, this is a tutorial today. Hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.